The ALMANACH project has had a significant impact, particularly in terms of the standardization of our service provision, and it has been able to assure also the rational use of drug in terms of achieving a very objective diagnosis and appropriate treatment. And above all, it has translated in improved health outcome, particularly as many clients troop to our various facilities implementing the project.
SwissDPH is supporting the project with the technical expertise that is needed in various areas to build and maintain the digital decision support system.
Now, we just completed last year a large-scale research aimed at proving that ALMANACH is effective also when it is deployed on a very large-scale setting in real-life condition like it is. So yes, it is working.
ALMANACH is a bless because it improves our work, our skills, and also it reduces the use of antibiotics that we used to do before. Apart from that, even at the side of the parent, it reduces the costly amount that we used to spend in the clinic. However, all what I understand, the treatment that we used to get from ALMANACH is accurate and 100% sure.